Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet by Saba. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful African flower hexagon. This is perfect for blankets, cardigans or even bags. So grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. To start, make a slip knot. Then chain 4. Into the first chain make a slip stitch. Now chain 3. This forms our first double crochet. Now make one more double crochet into the center of this. Chain 1 and make 2 double crochets again. Make 2 double crochets again into the center. Chain 1, again 2 double crochet. Chain 1, two double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Totally over here we need 6 pairs of double crochet with a chain in between. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. We have made a chain over here, by the way. After 2 double crochets we've made a chain and make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now let's change the yarn color. I'm using a rose pink color over here. You can start from any one chain space. Chain 3. Okay, this forms the first double crochet. Then make one more double crochet into the same space. Chain 1 and again make 2 double crochets in the same space. Go to the next chain space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and again 2 double crochets in the same space. Repeat the pattern. Go to the next chain space, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and again 2 double crochet. Repeat this pattern all over around in the chain spaces only. Now go to the first double crochet, the chain 3 which we made. Make a slip stitch over there. Now again there is a chain space in between these 2 double crochet, right over here. Make a slip stitch there. Now make chain 3. This forms our first double crochet. Into this chain space make 6 double crochets. Altogether we need 7 double crochets. Okay, make 6 double crochets in that chain space. Now go to the next chain space over here. Again make 7 double crochet. 6 and 7. Repeat this all over around in the chain spaces only, in between these two double crochet. Now we've reached the end of this round. Go to the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. There's a beautiful floral pattern formed. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now attach this yarn over here. Now we have to make a double crochet over here, but we need to include the second space also. First make a slip knot over here. Now yarn over, go under the second space, pull through 2 loops and again pull through 2 loops. So here we have included this second space also. Now make single crochet all across the 7 chains. Now this is our first chain. Make single crochet, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now make double crochet again in, include the second space together, okay? Make a double crochet there, then again continue with single crochet, 7 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now again double crochet, repeat this pattern all over around. Into this double crochet, make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Here we have 3 single crochets, 3 single crochet over here, and this will be the center chain. This forms the corner. Okay, so here we need to have 2 double crochet in single chain and with a chain in between. So we'll be starting from the double crochet side. Okay, here we've made a double crochet. Make a slip knot into that. Chain 3. This forms the first double crochet. Now make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. This is the corner part. Now make 1 double crochet, chain 1. Now make a double crochet again in the same chain. Now make 7 double crochet. Four, 5, 6 and 7. Now this is the corner stitch. Make a double crochet, chain 1 and again double crochet in the same chain. Now again 7 double crochet. And 7. Now 8th chain would be the pointed part. Double crochet, chain 1 and again double crochet. Then again 7 double crochet. repeat this pattern. We've reached the end of this row. Make a slip stitch over there. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave the ends. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beautiful crochet projects. See you in the next one.